Hi, all. Welcome to Hit F5. Today, I wanted to dig deeper into the threat posed by TikTok. India needs to be very concerned about this app as our vulnerable youngsters are the biggest scapegoats of TikTok. I was amazed to learn about the ongoing online war between the TikTok users and the YouTube users, specifically the fan base of the YouTube star Carrie Minati and the TikTok star Amir Siddiqui. While these individuals have been super smart and made their living out of their ridiculously high subscription numbers, I pity their fan base. Most of them, what we can tag as young India, who are wasting their time putting up with all the crap that these celebrities upload. For me, YouTube, right, can be what you want it to be. If you search for gold, you get gold. If you search for trash, you get lots of them too. For instance, if you want to watch an online tutorial about how to make biryani or develop an iOS app, you have zillions of free recipes and options out there, right? Getting back to TikTok, while it is smartly designed app to make well-edited, short, compelling videos, the problem also lies there. I'm going to talk about two main problems with TikTok. First is how it is ruining the lives of our youngsters without them even knowing about it. And second, how big a threat it is, specifically posed by Chinese government. So let me dig deeper into the first problem. It enslaves the younger generation in no time, as the barrier to entry is so low and they are getting instantly gratified with creating and consuming content. Think about it. The people becoming stars on TikTok, do they truly deserve that stardom? What kind of talent do you think they possess? The thick-skinned ones go out of their way to do some weird stuff and that makes them stars overnight? Is that a real talent we should be nurturing and recognizing? Do you think it is a platform suitable for a well-deserving person to showcase her talent? When you create an account on TikTok, it makes your profile public right away, right? As it is a default option. Teenagers may be too excited about the attention they get, but remember that they are immediately exposed to the dark world out there, who are waiting for an opportunity to exploit these kids. Time and again, we have seen how the youngsters have been targeted and exploited on TikTok, specifically the young girls. Remember, guys, India is a huge market for TikTok, and they will do anything on this earth to keep the market alive in India. So here's my direct question to the youngsters of India. Do you really want India to be this lucrative market for the Chinese companies to milk? Remember that the whole world is envying the fact that India has much younger population and has immense possibility ahead of us. Don't you think you can do something better to explore that possibility? Please go out there, read a book, watch videos to learn something new, help your mom do her household chores, understand the finances that your parents have to deal with, fix something that is broken at your home, do a DIY project, or even go out and socialize with your friends and family. There are so many things you can do. The second and the most important problem is your privacy and the amount of personal data that this app collects through the phone camera, microphone, contact list, and the location using GPS tracking. You're compromising almost all of your private data. Guys, please recognize the fact that TikTok is an app from Chinese company named ByteDance, and they have invested heavily in artificial intelligence, also called AI. This AI algorithm is constantly making predictions about you based on your daily activities. Also note, ByteDance has an obligation to share all the data that they have collected about you to the Chinese authorities whenever they ask for it. Unfortunately, youngsters may not be mature enough to care about their privacy at this point. At least their parents should take up the responsibility to make them aware about how big this issue is. Countries like USA, Australia, European Union have recognized this threat and there are hundreds of lawsuits against TikTok. Let me try to talk about some numbers here. India has downloaded this app 46 crore times. Even with conservative estimate, you can say that there are at least 25 crore unique users. This is a major chunk of our younger population and that worries me. Think about our strategic relationship with China. Are we friends? No. Are we enemies? Of course we are. Remember, Pakistan is just a nuisance and not an enemy you should be worrying about much. You should be worrying more about China. China objects to everything that India wants to achieve in international forums. Now that ByteDance has so much data about our youngsters, it is a goldmine for them, right? To exploit whatever they want and whenever they want. There are already reports of Chinese state meddling in elections of many Western countries by spreading fake news, and countries like America are quite worried about it. With so much data that they have about our youngsters, they can easily sway our own elections and also influence our internal policy making. Another thing to be extremely concerned about is our younger people in Indian armed forces. While I see many countries have ordered their military personnel to not use TikTok, I haven't seen any substantial news from Indian military organizations. I hope there are some restrictions. Just imagine with the face and voice recognition plus location tracking enabled, how catastrophic it can be for our armed forces if they are allowed to use it freely. Now you may question me, right? Why TikTok is the only problem I'm highlighting? Why not Facebook? Why not Instagram, Twitter, YouTube? Well, I recognize that they too have shady privacy policies. But remember that American government challenges these companies on privacy issues and litigate them as and when they see those issues. Also, unlike China, America is strategically positioned as a good friend of India. As I end this video, I want to say that China is looking for the world domination in artificial intelligence. TikTok behind the scene has a smart AI engine which is able to enslave our younger generation successfully. If you think metaphorically, it is a virus similar to COVID 19 that has infected many people around the world. The only difference here is that it is infecting the younger generation. China does not allow any foreign internet or AI based companies to operate in their country. Even if they do, they don't allow any data to be sent beyond their own walls. This is the epitome of hypocrisy, right? India has tried to ban this app time and again, but remember, we are a democracy and have a functioning judiciary. Things cannot be dictated like they do in China. The least we can do is to go ahead and uninstall this app. I'm sure you can do without having to go to TikTok de-addiction center. And guess what? You may find out that life became much more beautiful after getting rid of this app. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not got a chance to do, and comment your own thoughts and ideas about this topic. Thank you very much again. Bye.